Hello, welcome to DIY is my happy place. I'm Amy, and today I have the most exciting news. We have officially bought a ranch in Idaho. My husband and I will be doing all kinds of DIY projects. And if you want to see how it goes, subscribe now, follow along. We're going to be doing everything. Things like drilling a well, getting power, septic tank, deciding what house to build, or barn dominium. We are so excited. We have lived in Georgia, California, a long time in Nebraska, and now we're building a home in Idaho. And we'd love for you to join along with us on our travels. Over the years, I've done a lot of DIY projects. I refinished my home in Omaha. Some of you have gone along for the ride as I redid my staircase. I tiled floors, refinished hardwood floors, did vinyl flooring in bathrooms, painted everywhere, painted the exterior, cut down great big trees, built a fire pit. I've done a lot of things, but the one thing I've never done is started from scratch. Now, I'm not saying I'm going to do it all. I'm going to hire out some subcontractors for the things I have no idea what to do. But if you'd like to, you can join in the fun as we go along and see how it goes. But first, I'd love to ask you a question. If you could pick anything to go on a ranch in Idaho, which of these four things would you pick? Now, granted, we don't live in Idaho right now, so we have to travel there in order to even build it. So the first thing we need is we need some sort of living quarters in order to be there as the home is being built. And we've looked at a lot of different options, and we're kind of almost on the verge of deciding on one, but I'd love to hear your opinion. If you were going to live on property while your house was being built, which option would you choose? I'm going to give you four. Number one, we could do an RV. We have a great big hay shed. We're calling it our hay barn that's already on the property, and an RV could be in there. And so we could actually live in there even in the winter once we get power. So RV is an option. Tiny home is an option. There are lots of different ways of doing tiny homes. So we've looked into all of them. The other thing that we've considered is doing a shouse. You know what that is? Basically, we would build a garage and then put apartment quarters over the garage. And that can go up pretty quickly. And we'd be able to live above the garage until we were ready to build the house. And then the fourth option is an apartment close by. So, which one would you pick? Comment below and let me know your thoughts. Would you live with your husband in an RV, a tiny home, a shouse, or a rental while your house is being built? I'm so excited, and there's so many things I want to do. A lot of things when you're building a house is a lot of hurry up and then wait, because there's certain things that have to be done in certain order. So there is time between. We plan to fix up the garage that's already on site. Maybe that will become a living quarters. I guess I could have a number 5 option, or it'll just become our studio for Hacksten Creative. My husband has a graphic design business that he does remotely, so we can live anywhere, which is why we're moving to Idaho, but we definitely need a studio quick. The other thing that I love so much, that is trees. Now, did you know that Arbor Day was started in Nebraska? Little trivia there. We lived in one end of the state of Nebraska, which didn't have many trees, and the other end, Omaha, has a lot of trees. But the one thing that I love more than just about anything is trees. So join me in my journey. I want to get some trees that'll shoot up fast and give us some shade. I want fruit trees. I want garden. I want a greenhouse, chicken coop, the whole ranch experience. I'm so excited for this transition that we're going to have in our DIY channel here on YouTube. But don't you worry. For those of you that are here for arts and crafts, we'll continue doing those as well because I always have time in between my projects to do a little bit of fun. Creating arts and crafts as well as digging in the dirt is going to be fabulous. I just can't wait for you to join us in our journey, and I will be posting updates as we go along. It should be a fun ride to watch this beautiful ranch transform into something even better. So, I hope that you subscribe and share this out with all those who would love to see a ranch built in Idaho starting from scratch. All right, I'll see you soon. See ya.